as we begin to get to the end of the mission now we're looking at our retrograde operation. Our retrograde operation is really kind of taking over our day-to-day issue and receipt of materials. And our retrograde is all the materials that we got coming back to us, the materials that we issued out that was in excess of what could actually be used out in the field. So now we're seeing all those materials, those excess materials start to come back in. So now we're getting to the retrograde phase of our operation. And what that essentially means is we're looking at final disposition of the materials that we receive. When you look at the total size of it, like I said, I want to tell you we had over a $200 million material management program. Let me tell you, and just the magnitude of that alone, the receipt, the actual management, the accountability, and even the issue of that material, in my time as a logistician, I haven't seen anything, and I do believe that it's the largest material type or logistical program that we have been a part of. At one point it was up to close to 100,000 items, a little bit over 100,000 items a day. And when you start looking at it in terms of the amount of connectors that we were issuing out, the amount of cross arms and other type materials that are being issued out on a daily basis, it really is a massive program. Our ability to look at an operational mission or a requirement, establish what that requirement is, to collectively come together as a whole. When you look at so many of us from across USACE, across the Corps of Engineers, who volunteered, diligent efforts to be made still by personnel that are on the ground, the USACE local staff that we have here, the contractor support that we have, a lot of the work that we're doing collectively, even with our counterparts in San Juan and our leaders in San Juan on the BOM Squad up there, have been critical to our continued success and will be a pivotal part